Hello everyone. In this video, let's study chapter 8, arrays. Okay, I just set it up, the lecture environment. I just change the webcam and microphone. Everything is brand new. So after listening and watching this video lecture and just email me, okay, feedback. Okay, email me your feeling. The audio is good and video quality is good and lecture quality really nice, something like that. Okay, I hope everything is number one, best lecture. Okay, all right, let's jump into the module. Okay, before that, I have announcement assignment number 4 due is extended to March 7, Friday night, okay, because of this environment, my video recording, recording environment is changed and everything is set right now. So I'm just very excited, and then this is the first testing. Okay, so um, okay, I want to say just I'm really proud of you, everybody in CS and IT major. And I also say always done is better than perfection, okay? If you done step by step everything, I believe, I'm sure you can do that, okay? You can do that everything, whatever you want, okay? So you are not late. You never late, and you can do that. You can do it, okay? Let's go. Okay, assignment number 4, you can read. Let me open a little bit, scan it. The right C program performs following operation on an array. Input elements into array, display elements of array, find the sum of all elements in array, and find the largest and smallest element in the array. Okay, sort the array in ascending order. Okay, and please submit source code and output screen capture of your output will be fine. So just this is a simple output, looks like that. Array element is 5, 10, 5, 8, 3, 12, and some largest element, smallest element, and sorting ascending order 3, 5, 8, 10, 12, something like that. That would be great. Okay. Alright, let's study arrays right now. Okay. Chapter 8. Mm-hmm. Actually, my webcam is like that, and my lecture note over here. Okay, it's, so okay, that will be okay. My okay, all right. Okay, so scalar variable and aggregate variable. Until now, the only variable we have seen, the scalar, capable of holding a single data. If we define single variable, just holding, store a single data. But in C, we support the aggregate variable, which can store collection of value. We can use array right now in this chapter. So array and structure maybe later. Okay, let's handle the another topic. Okay, so in this chapter we just focus on the just one-dimensional array. Okay, and also one more step like a multi-dimensional, like a 2 by 2. Okay, 2 rows and 2 columns, something like that. You know, like what is that? Times table, right? Times table. Multi rows and multi columns, right? 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and 2 by 1, 2 by 2, multi row and multi columns, something like that. That is a multi-dimensional array. That multi-dimensional array is very good for times table actually. Okay. Alright, one-dimensional array looks like that. If we define the array name A, there is some data structure too. Array is data structure containing number of data value, all of which have same type. If we define integer data type array name A and the size is 10, looks like that. How many? Square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 elements can be stored in array size 10 A, array name A. Okay, this is the one, just a single row. Okay, just a single row, but we know this is a row, right? And this is a column. So just a one single row and multiple column. Actually, column multiple, right? But single row. So this is one dimension. If we multiple row and multiple column, that is multiple dimensional, right? So single row, actually this is a single row, but we can express the diagram of the array like a looks a column, right? But normally we make like a row, okay, and then column, multiple column, like that in the PPT slide, okay? To declare in the C, we specify type array is int A. 10 is the size of element, right? So size of element. So we have to define 10. The array is, everything is good. We prefer to use array actually, but the size is problem actually. We have to fix. If you want to make array, the memory, we have to fix the size of memory. If you out of the size bound, it makes error actually. Memory index error something. Okay, so that's why we define and 10 like that. We know that this one macro define and fixed number 10, right? This is the preprocessor, right? Define and so we make the array size like 10. Okay, that is excellent practice. Okay, make sure, keep in mind, array should be fixed before using. Okay, so that means we have an index, okay, and subscripting. Okay, so if we start from A0, that means index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we know that in program we start from always index 0 or subscripting 0, right? So if you define n we start from 0 to n minus 1. So if you define length n, a0, a1, a 10 minus 1, it's going to be 9. So like that, we define. Okay? Alright, and let's move on. Array scripting means array indexing, right? It's expression from array I, okay? So this is a square bracket. If you use like that, that is array, okay? We understand, okay, this is array. So we define array index 0, very first one, right? 1, define value 1, right? And then A5, we define, we want print out, right? And plus A, I, right? AI. Okay, I want to explain this meaning, the radar check slide. Okay, look at this one. Okay, over here. A0 is 1. So in the square box, the value is gonna be 1 over here. Okay, you understand? And A5, which one over here? A5 over here inside. Which value in there? Okay? Okay? Right now, there is no code for the initialization actually. The initialization value normally typically 0. Okay? Typically 0. So let's see the code. Continue. So many programs contain a C loop whose job is to perform some operation on every element in an array. Example, typical operation on an array A of length A of length n. Okay? So that means we start from 0. So n is included there? No include. The very last one is gonna be n minus 1 because of start from 0 and n is not included. So I is gonna be up to n minus 1, right? Okay? So this procedure from 0, initialization, clear A. That means initialization, the each element, right? A0, A1, A2, n minus 1, we initialize the value 0. Okay? This is a code. So otherwise, asking each element A0 read data into A. So the function of scanf, okay, receive through the terminal, right? So user enter the value, okay? And this one, for sum plus equal AI. So that means sum equal sum plus AI. Sum the element of A, okay? We have some common mistake forgetting the array with n element index from 0 to n minus 1. Not 1 to n, okay? That is commonly occurred, like even though expert programmers sometimes have mistake, error. So not 1 to n, okay? So from 0 to n minus 1. So make sure that. So this is not good practice. The start from, I start from 0. So I less than 10, I plus plus, I, AI. Okay, because of array start from A0, right? Index 0. Okay. Okay, with some compiler, this innocent looking for statement calls an infinite loop because A0. Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is A0. It's not filled the number, just the fill out from here to A10. A10 not exist and at all actually. But this code, okay, including 10, right? So start from 0. We don't take any I is 0. That makes what? Infinite loop. Infinite loop makes the operating system, starvation and deadlock, lock. Okay, so you have to avoid that kind of mistake. Okay, array subscripting. In this case also, this one looks okay, but I don't recommend these kinds of calculating the index number. Okay, yeah, don't do that. Like, okay, so this one also not recommended. This expression can even have side effect. This one is not recommended also because of in the array indexing just I plus plus B increase right hand side B array B I plus plus. That means that value assigned to AI that makes same I increased right side and assigned to AI. That means I increased already from right side BI plus plus. That means increased, right? And then assigned to AI. That makes so confuse your program. So avoid this kind of expression. Okay, rather than this expression, you have to use like that. Okay, you don't use like the inside the array. Okay, I plus plus and calculating something. Just use like that. For row, I start from 0 and -1. I less than n. I plus plus like that. Okay, and I pi this value assigned to AI. So just directly transfer B array value to A exactly. Okay, you know what I'm saying. Okay, and reversing a series of number. Okay, so this is the given number, given program. Prompt the user to enter a series of numbers that write a number in reverse order. It looks like assignment number 4. Okay, 10, enter 10 numbers like that. Okay, 34, 82, something, some value, 10 numbers, and reversing. Okay, 31 first, and 50, 11, something like that. The 4 and 34 is less. Okay, this is the reverse, right? So enter, and then that's gonna be a reverse. This program stores the number in an array first and then read from end of array, right? Backward, array, back, printing element one by one. That's gonna be logic, okay? So let's see the reverse .c. Okay, I'm gonna open oops, the Visual Studio Code. So let's do it together. Visual Studio Code. Oh, it is in the trash. Why? Okay, I'm gonna use cursor. I didn't delete actually Visual Studio Code. It's my favorite editor. I don't know. Anyway, okay, start from new text file. Okay, I'm not writing a code document, just real code only, right? Sharp pound key include, okay, standard IO dot header file, okay, and define. Define and pen int main void. Okay. So int main void I talked previously. Int, what is the int? The main function return data type int. Okay. Main is a function. So void, what is that? There is an argument. Parameter is void. Void means null. In computer science, void, null, nil, empty actually. Okay, same meaning. Int main void, you have to memorize that. Int main void and return 0. Actually, we just make sure return 0. Okay. Int a. Okay, currently the generative AI proposed like a code. We live in AI, generative AI. So you have to understand basic coding skill, and then you have role up, like your role, not only coding level, just makes project manager, project leader level, and then product level. Okay, so you can do that. I will talk about. We live in AI technology, so everything provided by generative AI actually. So what's going on? What's going on? Our future, computer science, IT people, how they survive. Okay? We have to change our role and responsibility. Our yeah, basic role plus project manager, leader level, management level, and product level. Like you can be a single like company. Okay, you can do that. Business level. You have to read books. You have to learn also idea and then listen, can talk, discussion so many times. Not only computer science IT, you have to widen your knowledge. Okay? Okay, enter. Oh, exactly. Exactly. Oops. How to offset? Okay, anyway. Enter offset. Okay. Exactly what I want. Photo. Exactly what I want. And then print. And then print. Okay, that's it. Right? And then save it. Reverse that's it. Reverse that's it. Okay? And then let's run it. Run code. Okay? Enter 10 numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly 10. Okay, reverse order. 10, 9, 8, 2, till 1. Right? Exactly reverse. Why? We use 2 photo over here, right? Start from 0 to less than n. Yeah. And another row. 2 reverse order. Start from n minus 1, right? Till I less than or equal to 0 and I minus minus and printing, right? You understand? You make sense, right? This is the idea, the algorithm. This is very well organized and very designed well. Okay, let's go next. Actually, we have to array initialization. I said normally, typically, initialize value is 0. Sorry. Okay, but sometimes, like some 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that, and array size 10. Array initialization, we don't need to everything, every element. So if you just assign 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like order A0, index 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 only, and the rest of them initialized with 0, something like that, okay? And normally we use initialize with 0, something like that, okay? Initialization value of the list a array looks like that. Okay? If you code, okay? That is the best practice. Actually, 0, single 0, every element. Okay. All right. Let's see. If you have a specific value, okay, you don't need to. If you have like 10 element, the size is 10, array A, you don't need to define over here the size of 10. A bracket 10. That is just omit is fine because we know how many 10, and in the memory we assign array size, okay, 10, and designate initialization actually special value for array 2, right? 0, 1, 2. Array index 2 with need 25 and somewhere 7 and the last one is 48. But this is not best of practice actually. And we can do that, but this makes increase your error. Okay, so actually initialization with the 0 first, and then if you want a specific part, you just pick number 2, right? Index number 9, number 14 with the value, specific value. Okay, that is the best way, I believe. Okay, and this is also another way to write the previous example, right? This is another example. This is another example, the specific number. Another one is a sample code checking a number for repeated digit. Okay. After the user enter number, the program print and either repeated digit or no repeated digit. Enter number 28212, repeat digit 2, and the others. A number like doesn't have any repeat number, right? Something like that. And so this is the code for that, so you can practice yourself, so you realize why we use array for checking, okay, comparing in your array value, okay, and size of operator really useful in C, in the for array. If A is array of 10 integers, then the size of A typically 40, because of each array, no, each integer is 4 digit, right? So 4 byte. I'm sorry. 4 bytes. So total 10 integers. We need the 40 bytes. Okay, 40 bytes. 1 byte is 8 bits, right? So we can also use size of the operator to measure size of array elements such as A0, something like that. Okay. And, sometimes we use size of operator with array, but currently my first program language is C. That time there are so many difficult to represent because of we need limitation to express. I believe at the time I didn't use C99 version, so everything should be make our own program. I try to make, because of there is no function, built-in function provided. I believe I only use printf, because of there is a provided by standard input output header file, something like that. Okay, and another program, computing entries. Okay, just read about that and then you can check. This is gonna be multiple dimension arrays. It's gonna be used for that, right? So just a single, double data type, value 5. You can do that. The best way to learn the program language is copy well designed, well organized. Okay, and then practice yourself. Type yourself, code yourself. That is so important. Okay, don't read coding like a novel. Okay, you have to type yourself. Okay, typing. Okay, this is a multidimensional array like a size M, M59. The 5 column and uh, 5 row. This is 5 row and column is 9, something like that. Okay. Both rows and columns are indexed from 0, right? Very left side, 0, 0, right? 0, 0. Okay, so multi-dimensional array sometimes so useful for represent, express the what? Times table actually. And the others, like we are using actually 2, 4